I've got some plants that are surrounded by other plants that I want to help them survive. And so what I'm going to do is cut down the plants around them and then fill in around them with some mulch I've made with just bark chips and grass clippings. And hopefully that'll help these plants. I'm just cutting them down with grass clippers. And the daylilies have been shading out this hollyhock plant that I had in here. So I'm going to go around and cut them all off with grass clippers. Yeah, here is that hollyhock. You see there's only like one leaf left, and there's a lot more earlier. So the next thing I'm going to do is put down a bunch of mulch right over the daylilies that I've cut down. And this mulch here, I made it with just grass clippings from the lawnmower and wood chips, and it makes a really good mulch that way. So I'm just going to place that around that hollyhock. Hopefully that'll keep the daylilies from growing, but if it don't, I can just cut them down again with the grass clippers. I might be starting to do that a lot more places in my garden here, because so much of it is so crowded, and I don't want to have plants like daylilies taken over. I don't mind a few of them, but if they're better competitors than the other plants, I'll just have to start cutting them down. And I might be more selective with which plants I want and which ones I don't. And I hope that helps you in what to do in your overcrowded garden. And so if so, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, that should help that hollyhock survive in the midst of all these daylilies. Okay, here you can see where the daylilies have completely overgrown this hollyhock down in there, just about killed it off, because it robs the plant of sunlight, nutrients, and moisture, and everything, and just completely cuts it off. So what I did is I pulled away a few of them from the top, and now I'm going to go in here with just ordinary grass clippers and cut it all the way down to the ground around it. And this is some mulch I made with just grass clippings and bark chips, and I'm spreading it down in there around the hollyhock. And you can see there's just one little leaf left in there, and there was a lot more, but it just practically died off from being starved out by the daylilies crowding it out. So I'm just putting this mulch around it, enable it to grow and keep the ground moist.